Picking up all our bags, which are out here, and hopefully so is Tydus. Buddy, what are you doing?
Daddy, what does this do?
That's a fire alarm. Do not touch that. Oh my gosh. Oh. Get in here now. Get in here. What are you doing? He just pulled the alarm. Call the front.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? You don't know that's a fire alarm?
My son just pulled the fire alarm by accident and we're packing. He was in the hallway. Yeah. Okay. I'm so sorry, no. Yeah. Alright, thanks. Okay. Oh my god.
You can
they're gonna
turn
it off.
Again, you can only pull those if there's a real fire, okay?
Okay.
It's off. Whew.
Guess what?
Yeah.
When I was your age in kindergarten, I pulled the fire alarm and the whole school had to get evacuated. And I got in big trouble.
Well, we're lucky we're one of the last people on the ship, or else we might have all had to evacuate the ship.
Thank God he didn't do that when we were at sea.
Seriously. Well, I think that's a good call for us to head on out. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Later that night.